Chapter 12. Conclusion. It has been an absolute privilege to embark on this adventure with you, to unravel my vision for a standalone Black Future Month, why we need it, and how it can be executed. I know this vision is not completely unique. I am excited to learn about the vision of others and how others align and how they differ. I'm excited to understand your vision for Black Future Month and for the Black future at large. My sincere hope for this body of words is for it to reach one set of ears, one set of eyes or fingers that will take action. The future of the African diaspora has been crafted by people outside of its identity. In commercial sci-fi, we are invisible or insignificant. According to economists, in the near future, we will have no net worth, no value. It is time for us to collectively craft our own future, a future of ownership, a future of strong families, a future of art, music, and love, a future of prosperity. Our Black future starts today with you. All right. Congratulations on finishing the book, Black Future Month, a visionary plan to reshape our future. I appreciate your time, your energy, and your consciousness. You obviously are already aligned with the vision of Black Future Month, which is why you spent the time and money on this book. But I want you to take a time to have a conversation with someone in your family, at work, maybe your children, your spouse, your loved ones, about Black Future Month. Take the time to just discuss the principles with them, which month Black Future Month should be in, how it should be rolled out, the activities. Just talk about Black Future Month. The more energy that is put into the universe around the Black future, around Afrofuturism, around wealth, prosperity, ownership, the more energy we put into these things, the more a strong reality can be built around these things. Again, I thank you for your time, your energy, and your consciousness. I hope you and your family be well. Peace.